Hello, here we have Ivanhoe. This is part 2 of the unboxing of Ivanhoe. And indeed, he can sit on a horse. I don't know if his thighs need to be trimmed. Maybe they do, but at least he is sitting on the horse. I'm very much an amateur on this subject and not good at filming yet. You note his feet are very big, so you'll have to have big stirrups for him. But I think, this is pretty cool. And also, I'm not going to keep him in this armor. He's going to be one of my movie stars, playing the leading role. That's what I hope anyway. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed this part 2 short little video. And notice this man's great face. And notice this horse's awesome face.